Apple Macbook Air M2, the tech giant's best laptop on the market in 2023. The new MacBook Air is one of the biggest Apple computers since Steve Jobs took the original Air to the market. It shows what's possible when Apple builds an ultra-portable device entirely around its mobile chips rather than packing them into older laptop designs. The new Air is impressively thin and light, but it also has a bigger and better screen, a great set of speakers, and a great MagSafe power adapter. And thanks to Apple's M2 chip, it's also much faster than the last model. Once again, Apple has set a new standard for ultra-portable devices. Its 13.6-inch screen has a maximum brightness delivery capacity of 500 nits and can reproduce, according to Apple, more than 1 billion colors. This version of the MacBook Air is one of the most revolutionary in recent years. And not just because it includes a new M2 processor. Apple has decided to reimagine its aesthetic approach, betting on straight lines and a somewhat more sober style. On the other hand, the M2 processor runs the second generation of Apple's M family of chips and maintains its commitment to performance per watt to provide high productivity and long battery autonomy. The version of the M2 chip integrated into this MacBook Air includes 8 CPU cores with improvements that, on paper, increase the performance of both high-efficiency and high-performance cores. Also, the M2 processor includes 10 GPU cores, 2 more than those integrated into the M1 processor. This MacBook Air offers users a FaceTime camera with a resolution of 1080p located in the notch located in the middle of the upper margin of the screen. According to Apple, this camera's sensor incorporates larger photodiodes than previous revisions of this laptop, so its performance and low ambient light should be better. If you can afford this beast, we say go for it.